Since 1947, there has been a 60% decline in honeybee hives in the United States of America. Annual die-offs are between 30 and 50% each year. And it's not just bees that are endangered. More than 20 species of butterflies and moths are endangered as of this year. And 40% of the world's entire insect population is in decline.
Experts are certain that if we don't do something soon, entire ecosystems and economies will be on the verge of collapse. Insects can be found at the base of almost every food chain on Earth. Insects also contribute $57 billion to industry in America alone. The facts of the situation are grave, but you can help us save this vital part of our planet.
Here in Monmouth County, our dream team is using the power of technology to aid the efforts for insect conservation. And we're engaging an audience well known to have the unique ability of creating change. Introducing GreenGarden, the gardening app that's planting the seeds for a greener tomorrow.
Join us and begin cultivating your bee and butterfly garden. When you first start, you will have a patch of grass which will soon be filled with flowers, herbs, bees, and butterflies. To begin planting, you'll press the nursery icon in the top right. Here in the nursery, you'll choose which plant to put in your garden. Each plant rewards you with green points, GreenGarden's special point system. The more green points you have, the better your garden is for the environment and all the insect species within it. More green points are gained by fostering more plants, caring for the plants in your garden, and by having insects come to visit your garden.
GreenGarden serves to educate children about the effects that simple gardening can have in the real world. We've taken care so that in every step of caring for their virtual gardens, our players will also be learning how when these same efforts are applied to their real lives, they can help to save the world's endangered insect populations.
Instilling this virtual habit in America's youth will inspire a long-term passion for environmental advocacy, undoubtedly leading to tangible steps forward in the fight to protect at-risk animal, plant, and insect populations.
We built GreenGarden using Android Studio technology with a landscape layout intended primarily for use on tablets. Our app's stunning visuals were designed using the Adobe Creative Cloud suite, then were implemented into Android Studio with the coding language XML. Our app's functionality was built with the programming language Java.
I'm Brigid McCarthy.
I'm Abby Cohen.
And I'm Rina Peshori. We have to save America's insect populations together before it's too late.
Before crops die throughout the whole country.
Before the economy plummets after losing a $50 billion industry.
Before entire ecosystems collapse due to starvation.
With GreenGarden, we can do it.
So the only question is,
will you do it with us?